Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur Irvin's French Class. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, nous allons parler du futur. An easy tense to build, but with a lot of irregular verbs. As usual, we will also do some fun activities to revise and practice. C'est parti. En français, on peut exprimer le futur de trois manières différentes. Avec le présent, par exemple, ce soir, je sors avec des amis. Avec le futur proche, par exemple, demain, je vais sortir avec des amis. Avec le futur simple, dans 2 mois, je sortirai avec des amis. In today's video, we are focusing on the future tense, its formation and uses. To describe what you will do and what will happen, you will need to use the future simple in French. Most of the verbs are regular in this tense, and the construction is quite simple. You take the infinitive of the verb to which you add endings of the future. There is an easy way to remember them. They are those of the verb avoir in the present tense. AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT. And here is the conjugation chart of parler and sortir. Let's repeat that together. Je parlerai, tu parleras, il parlera, elle parlera, on parlera, nous parlerons, vous parlerez, ils parleront, elles parleront. That's right. Let's do sortir now. Je sortirai, tu sortiras, il sortira, elle sortira, on sortira, nous sortirons, vous sortirez, ils sortiront, elles sortiront. In the negative, ne and pas surround the verb. Par exemple, je ne parlerai pas, je ne sortirai pas. For regular verbs, when their infinitive ends with an e, like prendre or écrire, for example, remove the e and add the endings. Je prendrai, tu prendras, il prendra, elle prendra, on prendra, nous prendrons, vous prendrez, ils prendront, elles prendront. J'écrirai, tu écriras, il écrira, elle écrira, on écrira, nous écrirons, vous écrirez, liaison, don't forget, ils écriront, elles écriront. Très bien. For verbs like acheter, appeler, payer, and employer, you remember those? They were irregular in the present tense. They were ER, irregular verbs. The future is based on the je form of the present tense. So first you go through the je form of the present tense to find the stem. You add that little letter R and then the endings of the future. So let's cover them. Acheter, j'achète, j'achèterai is the future tense. Appeler, j'appelle, j'appellerai. Payer, remember two conjugation patterns for these. Je paye is the first one. Je payerai. Je paie, je paierai. Employer, j'emploie, j'emploierai. The irregular verbs now. Here is a list of the most common ones. There are many and they are all very much used in French. And that's the trickiest part of this tense. In this list, I give you the infinitive forms, the future stem, and the conjugation of the je form in the future. Let's start with être, je serai. Avoir, j'aurai. Aller, very different from the infinitive, right? Aller is j'irai. Faire, je ferai. Venir, je viendrai. Tenir, je tiendrai. You see, these two are quite close in their forms. Voir, je verrai. Envoyer, j'enverrai. these two are also close. Savoir, je saurai. Pouvoir, je pourrai. Vouloir, je voudrais. Devoir, je devrais. Courir, je courrai. Don't forget the double R on this one. Recevoir, je recevrai. The following impersonal expressions have irregular future forms. Il y a in the present, il y aura in the future. Negation, il n'y aura pas. Il faut in the present, il faudra, il ne faudra pas. Il pleut in the present, in the future it becomes il pleuvra. Negation, il ne pleuvra pas. After the form, the uses. We use the future tense in French to express an action done in the future, of course. But what are the differences between that tense, the futur simple, and the futur proche that we covered in a previous video? As the name indicates, le futur proche refers to a closer time to the present moment, and the futur simple is used for events in a more distant future. However, the choice of a tense over the other one also depends on the action being expressed. For example, traveling to France is not something one does on a daily basis, except if you live right across the border, of course. But for someone who lives in Australia, for example, if the trip happens next year, you still can use the near future because that action can be considered as close in time. Because of the proximity in time, the futur proche is often used when there is a high level of certitude that the event is actually going to happen. For example, je vais partir en octobre. That sounds pretty definite by the use of the futur proche and the precise indication of time. But you can still say je partirai en octobre using the futur simple. But the near future is surely more natural here. All right, now let's do an activity to revise and practice. All you need to do is conjugate the verbs in brackets in the futur simple, of course. Numéro 1, je, and être is your verb, en France, pour les vacances. Je serai, très bien, être is irregular, serai is the right form. Je serai en France pour les vacances. Numéro 2, l'année prochaine, elle, étudier is the verb, les maths, à l'université. That one is very regular, so you take the infinitive, étudier, and you add the ending. Elle étudiera les maths à l'université. Numéro 3, nous, faire is the verb, un grand voyage en Chine. So, faire is one of the irregular verbs. Nous ferons un grand voyage en Chine. Numéro 4, cette actrice recevoir un César is the equivalent of the Oscar in France. Recevoir is irregular. What was the form for irregular? Recevoir, je recevrai. Cette actrice recevra un César. Numéro 5, ils ne pas prendre, negation, be careful, leur voiture demain. Ils ne prendre, you need to remove the E and add the ending for il is O-N-T. Ils ne prendront pas leur voiture demain. Numéro 6, ils achetaient une moto. Acheter is the verb. Remember, be careful, it's one of the ER, irregular verbs. So what you need to do is go through the je form of the present. That's right. J'achète, because you want that accent grave in there. So achète, that's your stem. You add the R, achète, and then the ending of the il form in the future. Just that A. Il achètera une moto. That's how it's done. Same goes for number 7, appeler, right? Appeler, it's one of your irregular ER verbs. J'appelle, okay, in the present tense. You add this are and then the ending of the nous form. Nous appellerons les enfants demain. Numéro 8, on restait à l'hôtel. Rester is perfectly regular. On restera à l'hôtel. Voilà les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. Please write in the comments what you will do when you will be fluent in French. I can't wait to see your goals. Ajoutez un pouce bleu à cette vidéo et abonnez-vous pour me soutenir. Au revoir, à plus. Ciao.